Good day guys and welcome to another episode of Riding in Tandem.
RIT, Riding in Tandem, RIT.
With me, RM, at sa araw na to napaka-espesyal no kasi kasama natin ang Link & Co dito sa China. At nandito tayo sa Ningbo International Speed Park para subukan ang mga Link & Co vehicles. Ayun sa likod, makukulay at exciting. Ano, ready na ba kayo? Tara na! So wala na tayong warm up mga katandem. Kasama na natin kaagad si Ju at nandito tayo sa loob ng Link & Co 06. So available na to sa Pilipinas. Isang crossover to, no, 1.5 liter turbo at susubukan natin ngayon. Grabe no, napaka big time pala ng Link & Co dito sa China, no? Imagine no, meron tayong racetrack na pwedeng gamitin na yan. Yung building nila sa gilid, oh, ganda. Sa Pilipinas walang ganyan, no? Any brand, no?
Dito lang ako para pa-cute.
Actually ngayon, no, nilagay ko na siya sa sports mode, no, kahit parang hindi ko nababasa. Pero yung itsura kasi niya mukhang sport mode kasi syempre nasa China tayo, Chinese yung mga nakasulat, kaya talagang hindi ko naintindihan. Pero buti na lang, no, yung go at saka stop maintindihan natin kasi merong green tsaka red. So nakasunod tayo ngayon sa 05 na safety car. Anong masasabi nyo? Ayos ba?
Ayos!
Di ba?
Ayos!
Safety car natin naka wings. Wow, man. Ganda, di ba?
Oo.
Sa screen ngayon, yan yung sinasabing 540 degrees panoramic view camera. So pati yung sa ilalim, namamap ng mga camera sa labas. So
Paano?
nakikita nyo yung mga nasa ilalim ng kotse.
Ay, ibig sabihin may camera sa ilalim. Ang galing.
Hello everybody, we trust.
Okay, so green na. Go na tayo. Link and
Hello
go.
everybody. Just to be slower.
Nagpapasalamat din ako ngayon, no, dahil sinama talaga tayo ng Link & Co. Thank you, Link & Co Philippines.
Salamat din for joining us, guys.
Guys, minsan lang to. Medyo serious si Doc, di ba? Kasi nasa International Speedway po tayo. Kasi kung hindi natin sundin ng mga rules dito, may multa.
May multa. Kaya talagang seryoso dapat tayo.
Oo, serious. Kasi safety comes first. Tuloy, no?
Ang ganda ng response. Konting diin ko lang, so sports mode to.
Careful of the corner.
Handling test, chicane.
Ayun, oh. Mamaya si Ju naman. Grabe crossover to, pero ganda ng handling, ganda rin ng kapit. Partida, basa pa yung track, malamig pa yung gulong.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Here are ang fans natin, hello!
Millions and millions of fans.
At saka ang luwag ng track dito, no?
Yeah, it's so wide. Oo nga, hindi katulad sa Philippines. Uy, grabe ka, Doc.
I'm just following.
Galing! Oo. Galing talaga ni Doc. Nice, oh. That's the fastest corner I've done in my life.
Woo! I was scared nga when you were driving, you're so fast eh.
Galing. Woo! Woo! Ayan, ayan na. Ayan na. Mabilis na. May konting speed na.
Basa. Pero kapit pa rin. Basa. Oh my goodness.
Apex turn, pero kayang-kaya.
Wow. Almost 100 yun.
Grabe, no?
93 yun. And then alam nyo guys, mas mahirap kasi hindi kami
Hindi namin kabisado yung track.
Hindi kami kabisado sa track tapos yung helmet, di ba?
Oo.
Those who are watching in both channels, please do subscribe to our channels.
Oo nga pala. Nakalimutan ko na, may video nga pala tayo. Nag-enjoy na ako masyado.
Oo.
Kung ganito ang takbuhan ng mga crossover, no, ayoko na ng kotse.
Oh, yan, may space pa, 'di ba? May utility ng SUV pa.
Oo, may height ka, may ground clearance ka.
Basta don't enter the white lane.
Yeah.
May multa yun.
2,000.
2,000 yuan.
I remember very clearly. Because I have no money. Utang na lang ako kay Ju.
19 yuan is 150 peso. So, If 20,000, ay 2,000,
Oo.
Okay, everybody slow
15,000 ang multa. Peso.
Okay.
Tama ba ang calculation ko?
Hindi
Oo,
ko.
mahina ako sa math, kaya nag-com ako eh.
Ano to? Nasaan yung white lane? Ito ba yung white lane?
Yeah.
Ay! Multa na!
Hindi, if you go,
Pit lane na ito, pang switch.
Oh, joke lang, joke lang. Good job, good job.
Nice one, Doc.
Okay, okay,
Doc.
si Ju naman, si Ju.
Okay, good.
Dito lang ako.
Alright. This is the 06 from Link & Co. And this is available in the Philippines. And I'm going to be driving in the racetrack and I'm going to teach you. No.
Wow!
Now I'm going to show you how it performs. So here we go. I don't have my white glove. I don't have my racing glove. Uy, tulin! Grabe.
Ngayon mga katandem, no, may special guest na naman tayo. Sir Enrico Subido of Link & Co Philippines. Sir, good morning.
Thank you for having me over and welcome to Ningbo International Speedway here in Ningbo City, China. We're testing the 06 SUV, locally available in Manila and the rest of the country. And I'm pretty excited for this. So baka magpo-focus lang din ako. Tignan natin, baka may mga moments na pwede akong magsalita.
Mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ni
Ng Link & Co Philippines sa Facebook.
Oh,
Diba, sir,
Facebook
meron?
dapat. Oh, Facebook ko nga. Ay, grabe.
Naku, grabe naman.
Hindi, sorry.
Grabe.
My
sorry
bad,
ko,
my
ah.
bad. Wait,
Brother.
if there's one thing though that I wanna add is that Link & Co is a joint venture between GD Auto and Volvo, and nalaman naman natin to during the briefing the past couple of days and yesterday also na Hoy, mag-seatbelt ka.
Ay, naka-seatbelt pero ayaw magano.
Geely and Volvo joint venture to, and the primary thing about that is there's a very big premium on safety. Gaya nga ng mga Volvo cars, di ba? So, we're doing a very high speed performance test here at the racetrack, but at the same time, we feel the confidence of the cars, the safety of the vehicles, just like their Volvo counterparts. Yeah, did you? Tuwang-tuwa, oh.
It's so nice to be here at the back. That thing. Faster, daddy! Faster, daddy!
There's no more cars in our back.
Oh, wala na! Wala na!
Ganun pala kagaling
Oh.
mag-drive si Sir Enrico. Naiwan na lahat.
Go, 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 go! Gas, gas, gas!
We have our professional driving instructors here. Obviously, they won't let us go on this track without some help. And these guys know the track like the back of their hand. So
Oh.
we are just following their lead. And if he goes faster, we go faster also.
I don't even know what's at the back of my hand.
Let's go.
Oh,
Let's
nice,
go.
nice.
Yun.
Nice, yun! Anong speed natin? 110?
121.
121?
That alarm is when you hit 120. That's the default
My speed limit, my alarm, my alarm.
warning lang.
Papa Enrico! From Lincoln Co!
So mga katandem, no, na-try na natin tong 06. Try naman tayo ng ibang kotse. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to at intayin nyo yung part 2.
RIT, riding in tandem. RIT, riding in tandem. RIT, riding in tandem. Siksik na impormasyon mula kay RM at Elaine. RIT, riding in tandem. RIT,